So first we're going to talk about the stitch we're going to use. So just a regular zigzag stitch. Mine is number 10, whatever your zigzag is. This one is your stitch width, how far your stitch goes this way. So I set mine about a 2.5. And then for this, for your length, if you can't remove your feed dog so it stays exactly in one spot, then you can just put it as low as you possibly can. That's as low as I can get mine. Okay, let's do this. All right, so we are wanting to sew, and you want it to sew as close to the edge or just off the edge is fine. So you're going to be moving back and forth across here, trying to create a similar situation as this. So the very beginning, you might have to fiddle with it a little bit to make sure that you are in the right spot. Okay, that looks about right to me. So I'm going to go ahead and start very slowly. Now you can see because I still have my feed dogs up, it's a pain for me to lower it on this machine, I know. When I come up to the beginning of the next tooth, I'm just going to go back and go backwards, back to where I started. And then I'm going to go forward. And then I'm going to go backwards. And I'm going to do this a couple of times to make sure that thread is super thick and bulky so that the zipper pull cannot get through it. Now you can see we've created a nice thick pull. So hopefully that's enough. We'll find out in a minute. Okay, so you can see I have my bar tacks on each side. So now gently zip your zipper and kind of just test it against that pull, right? This is where you can make it thicker if it feels like it's going to fall off, but that's pretty secure. So that's good. So now you are free to cut off the excess above that tack. Once you do this, probably easier actually if you take off another tooth, but I am not doing that because... Okay. That's how you've shortened it. Then go ahead and put a little bit of fray check just across the top, or you can melt it, or just some way of keeping the top of the zipper tape from fraying. And that's it. You're all done.